Okay, this is the SeaELF LED light up basketball rim light. So what we had to do is put the sensor off to the side because it wasn't able to sense the ball. I think it's because it was in the net too much. And then on the back side we put the on-off switch, and you can turn it on and off. I put it upside down just so the cords ran a little bit easier. That's where we set it up, and go ahead and shoot. So you can see it lights up as it goes through. Now we have a glow-in-the-dark ball as well, just for fun. But you can see as it goes through, it doesn't make any sound or anything, but it changes light colors each time. So this is the SeaELF basketball light set. So it's pretty cool.